Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix fast battery drain on TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So first of all, we have to get rid of all the stuff that is working in the background that we most probably don't really need. For example, the ads on the leftmost window of our home screen. We can easily disable them by holding our finger down on the home screen, going to desktop settings, others, and disabling zero screen. After you do that, you will not have any ads loading in your device's background. After that, let's also disable kaleidoscope, lock screen, or whatever it's called, by going to settings, personalization, then let's go to magazine lock screen is called, disable it. Now always on display, we should also disable this feature if we don't want to use too much of our device's battery in the background. Okay, so let's tap more next to always on display and switch off this tool. Now let's go back to settings. Let's check the battery lap. We can easily disable power boost. We can customize it as well. And this is basically the power saving mode on your smartphone, which will exceed your battery's life by, in my case, 4.4 hours. And as you can see, it enables a variety of features like dark mode. It also disables the haptics. If you don't like some of these, you can of course disable the power boost and only enable the things that you would like to extend your battery life. Now, for example, the dark mode itself will significantly increase your battery life since it simply uses much less battery power than the regular white display. Then we can also go to battery saving display, and we can enable power saving management for apps. So this feature will basically just manage your devices in the background, but it affects affects your application's notification system. Therefore, you might get delayed notifications from your messengers, your emails. So if you don't want it, you should disable this feature for selected applications. You can easily do that by tapping on an application and selecting no restrictions for it. Okay. We can also enable the screen off sleep, which will shut down the background applications automatically, but this will disable your notifications when your phone is in sleep mode. So choose yourself whether you actually want to use it. And then we can also use the battery saver, which is like the regular battery saver, which will give you the most time on a single battery charge, but it will significantly restrict background activity of your applications and visual effects of your smartphone. Now the rest of the settings that we can adjust are display and brightness settings, where we can disable the adaptive brightness and just instead set the brightness to the level that is comfortable for us. Then we can also go to sound and vibration and disable haptics, but we don't have to do this since the battery saver did it for us. Now lastly, go to your device's system update and make sure to update your device using online update feature so that you are running the latest software version on your smartphone. Besides, I also recommend debloating your smartphone, although be very careful while you do this. If you need a more specific instruction on how to do that, we have a separate video on our channel that is titled How to Remove Pre-installed Bloatware on TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and I recommend watching it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.